If you've worked in a large organization long enough, you've probably experienced this. A new organizational chart appears. Teams move to different departments. Managers get new reporting lines. And suddenly, everyone is trying to understand where they fit. It's called a reorganization. And companies seem to do it all the time. But why? The answer usually starts with good intentions. Markets change, companies grow, new products emerge, strategies evolve, and leaders believe the organization needs a new structure to support those changes. Sometimes that's true. A startup with 50 employees cannot operate the same way as a company with 5,000. New structures become necessary as organizations scale. But there's another reason companies reorganize. Sometimes leaders hope a new structure will solve deeper problems. Slow decision-making, poor collaboration, lack of innovation, conflicting priorities, or weak execution. The challenge is that organizational charts rarely fix these issues on their own. Moving teams around doesn't automatically improve communication. Changing reporting lines doesn't guarantee better decisions. And creating a new department doesn't create alignment. In many cases, the underlying problems remain exactly the same. The boxes on the chart change, but the behaviors don't. Reorganizations also come with hidden costs. Productivity often slows. Relationships need to be rebuilt. Priorities become unclear. And employees spend weeks trying to understand new responsibilities. This uncertainty can distract teams from delivering value. That doesn't mean reorganizations are always bad. Sometimes they're necessary. But the most successful organizations recognize an important truth. Structure should support strategy, not replace it. A reorganization can enable change, but it cannot create change by itself. Real transformation comes from clear goals, strong leadership, aligned incentives, and effective ways of working. The next time you hear about a reorganization, ask yourself one question. Are we changing the structure, or are we solving the underlying problem? Because the answer often determines whether the reorganization succeeds or simply becomes another chapter in an endless cycle.